weights off my shoulders.
Alright guys, well welcome back. I did a little scalp job on the lawn on Monday, which was 3 days ago, and I brought it down probably about a half an inch, and really just trying to get a reset as we get ready to start falling into a little bit cooler weather. We were high mid to upper 100, so we were like 105, 106 with heat index 114, and I wanted to wait till we got past that brutal heat and got into a little bit better situation where the Bermuda wasn't fighting the ground temps being so high. So reset it on Monday. Yesterday I actually applied Carbon X to it, and we've already got a pretty good cleanup. I mean, I scalped it down and it's pretty brown when we took it down. So come in here. Yeah, we're right at about maybe an inch or so, and that's probably the lowest I've ever taken it at any point. And you can definitely see some browning in some of these areas, and also a little bit of the stress from the heat that we got. So we'll be keeping you updated on how this progresses. There's the strip kind of heading down to the house, but we'll keep you updated on how that progresses. I only did this to my backyard. I've never scalped in the summer, so I'm kind of interested to see how this works. I've got that new sod that I laid up at the front of the house, so I really don't want to take it down. I'll do that in the fall, and then early spring we'll go with a lower height of cut. And then I didn't do the pool. I left the pool area alone, only because that's where we typically spend most of our time, and my wife would have been pretty upset if I would have taken her green yard away in the middle of the summer when we're typically in the pool. So what else am I going to do this weekend? I'm actually going to apply some of the N-EXT products, probably put some RGS down, and then some humic I'll try to get down as well while we're still in this good temperatures. And I might apply some aerate, only because I'm dealing with some compaction from just the amount of heat that we've had. The ground, that those of you that have clay understand, it really gets rock hard. So I'll probably put some aerate down. I've been contemplating doing a manual aeration, but being that it's greening back up fairly quick, I might just hold off and just make sure I keep water on it. I've been giving it a shot of water pretty much every day, and then just letting the regular irrigation run. So that's the update this week. Pretty short. It's hot, not terribly hot today. I think a high of 94. We're going to get back up into the high 90s, 97, 98 next week. So my hope is to get this grass running again before we start losing the light and running into the problems. So appreciate you guys always watching, commenting. If you haven't subscribed, give it a thought. I'd love to have you follow along with all of my happenings here in the yard. And until next week, I'll see you in the lawn.